Hello, my name is Komang Josuharyadi and I am from 5E class. Here I would like to answer the 10 following questions given by Mr. Harry. Let's start from the first question. What is online learning and also what is synchronous and asynchronous learning? Online learning is a learning process that happens on the platform which takes place in the internet. And what is synchronous learning? Synchronous learning is a situation when the learning process or online learning process happen at the same time. For example, like when we doing a video conference learning, and on the other hand, asynchronous learning is a learning process that or online learning process that happen at the different time. For example, when we use a learning management system or LMS like Schoology. Okay, we jump to the next question. The next question is basic feature in learning management system. There are several basic feature in LMS. For the first one is announcement. Announcement is the place that teacher use to inform the student about the important updates in their course. And the next one is syllabus. Syllabus is the place that teacher use to put the course contract and also course structure for the whole course in one semester. And the third one is lesson. Lesson is the place that teacher use to put the material for the unit by unit for the course. And the fourth is discussion forum. Discussion forum is a place that used by teacher or student to exchange their ideas or doing some discussion in it. And the last one is Dropbox or assignment upload is the place that student or teacher can use to upload their material or upload their assignment that given by teacher and then assessed by teacher. Okay. The third one is an example of good introduction writing for one topic meeting. Okay, I'm here already make to one example. And you can read here. Dear students, welcome to listening course. I hope that you will learn and enjoy this course. I hope our learning process will have finished in the 16th meeting. In this course, we'll teach you to improve your listening comprehension from basic until the next level. And also in this course, you are expected to be able to listen to the speaker, think critically about the speaker said, and also can listen to the native speaker and give the response. The fourth one is attractive elements material for online learning. So, why we should make the material attractive? Because we need to avoid the student feels bored to our material, and also we need to make the student curious about the material because the attractive elements. And for the attractive elements is visual designs, page layout, text, and graphic element. For the visual designs, like when we use some color or some color gradation in our material, page layout, for the page layout, like we use some space, some column in our material, and text we use, or we looking for some font that we can read easily. And for the graphic elements, a graphic element is one of important point because we will looking for a picture, for the symbol of our sign in this graphic element. Okay, for the next one is type of online learning activities and the example of technological tools. For the first one is discussion activities. Discussion activities is online class discussion facilitate student class participation in an online course. For the example tools is discussion forum. And the second one is online journaling activities. The goal of this case is that the student develops the habit of reflecting on their work. The tool is blog. And the third one is knowledge-based building activities. This class is essentially building one or more documents together online. For the tools is wiki. The fourth one is practice exercise. In this practice exercise, the teacher can address many level of thinking skill to the use of multiple choice matching, true or false, or fill in the blank. For the example is testing or quizzing. And the last one is group project. This group project, the student can communicate into each other, and also in group project, the student divided into some group, and they are given some assignment to finish by the group. For the tools, we can use work group, discussion forum, or blog. And the next one is how the teacher optimize discussion in online learning. So sometimes discussion in online learning doesn't work like we want. So we should prepare to make the discussion work like we need or we want. The first one is make a contract from the beginning of the course, make a deal for the discussion, and also make a clear instruction for the student for the discussion to make the student actually discussion each other. And the next one is the learning resource that engage learner. In this case, I use YouTube because in YouTube there are a lot of video can help you in learning. For example, like when you want to learn about grammar, you can search in YouTube about grammar, and there will be a lot of video that contain of grammar that you can choose one of video that suitable for you. The next one is example of effective assessment in online teaching and learning. So in this case, the language skill that I want to assess is writing. And how to assess skill, we need to put a text in LMS in online learning, and then we should make the student read and make a summary about the text, and also we can give a quiz or test about the text, and after they doing that, we can doing some feedback. We as a teacher can give feedback or peer feedback, feedback like student to student, and guest feedback, the feedback that given by the guest. The next one is the basic elements to consider when building an online course. The first one is learning outcomes. Learning outcomes is so important because learning outcomes decide what will we do in this course, and also what will the student get in this course. The next one is online syllabus. Online syllabus is so important too because we put the learning outcomes on the syllabus, and also we put course online in the syllabus, and online syllabus contain a lot of things that we need. The last one is course outline. So we need to make the student understand what they gonna do, what will they make into this course outline. And for the next one is, this is my lesson for one meeting. As you can see, I give some instruction in the opening, and also I make some main activity, then I made some assessment, that I made some question that you can see in the slide. And also this is all about my presentation, my video, and thanks for watching my video. See ya.